Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our course on brainstorming techniques. We are exploring a powerful method known as the round-robin technique. Our primary objective for this lecture is to explore how this structured approach to idea generation encourages equal participation among team members and promotes innovative thinking. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand how to implement the round-robin technique effectively in your brainstorming sessions. The round-robin technique is a method where participants take turns sharing ideas systematically and structured. This technique is beneficial when some individuals dominate discussions or quieter participants feel overlooked. Using a rotating system, the round-robin ensures that everyone contributes one idea at a time, creating an inclusive atmosphere that encourages more thoughtful and balanced brainstorming. Steps of the round-robin technique. The process begins by defining the topic or problem the group needs to solve. Once the focus is clear, participants are asked to present their ideas individually, typically in a circular or predefined order. No one interrupts or comments on the ideas during this phase. This keeps the flow smooth and ensures every idea, unconventional or straightforward, gets shared. Once everyone has contributed, the group reviews all the ideas. At this point, discussion, critique, and refinement take place. The beauty of the round-robin is that it values the input of every individual, ensuring that even the quietest members of the team have an opportunity to contribute. A community's collective vision. I want to share a story about a small community that faced a significant challenge. They were tasked with revitalizing their town park, which had fallen into disrepair. Instead of holding a single meeting where only a few outspoken residents dominated the conversation, the town council decided to use the round-robin technique. Regardless of their standing in the community, each resident was invited to share their ideas for the park's renovation. At the end of the session, they had gathered a wealth of diverse suggestions, from native plant gardens to interactive art installations. The result? A revitalized park that reflected the collective vision of the entire community. A potluck of ideas. Think of the round-robin technique as a potluck dinner. Just as each guest brings a unique dish to share, each participant contributes their unique ideas. The meal would be far less exciting if everyone simply brought potato salad. However, by ensuring everyone contributes something different, you have a feast of varied flavors, much like the innovative solutions that can emerge from a round-robin brainstorming session. The story's moral is that inclusivity and structure can yield impressive outcomes, similar to a well-planned community effort. Follow-up assignment. As we conclude today's lecture, I encourage you to consider how you might implement the round-robin technique in your collaborative efforts. For your assignment, I'd like you to organize a mock round-robin session with your classmates. Choose a topic, perhaps a project you're working on, and observe how the structure influences participation and creativity.